In this video, I'll show you how to log into your Crypto.com account on desktop using both email and the QR code option. First, open your web browser on your computer and type Crypto.com in the address bar. Press enter and make sure you're on the official website, not a lookalike or ad. On the homepage, click Login in the top right corner. Here you'll usually see two main ways to sign in. The first is email and password. Enter the email address linked to your Crypto.com account. Type your password, double-check for typos or caps lock, then click Login. If asked, enter the email code or 2FA code from Google Authenticator to finish. You can also use the QR login if it's available on your screen. Click Login with QR code to display a QR. Now grab your Crypto.com app on your phone, log in, then look for the scan/QR icon or connect to web/web login option. Scan the QR code shown on your computer, confirm on your phone, and your desktop session will log in automatically without typing your password. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.